A federal wrongful death lawsuit against a Baldwin County sheriff deputy is now in the hands of a jury.
That jury heard closing arguments. They'll decide if Corporal Matthew Hunnity acted unlawfully when he shot a driver to death during a tense standoff after a crash.
Our Brendan Kirby is joining us now with the very latest on this. Brendan, do we have a verdict?
Yeah, no, we don't, Lanice and Cameron. The jury deliberated a little less than 2 hours before breaking for the night. This isn't a criminal trial. The issue here for the jurors to decide is whether the deputy is civilly liable. Now, this incident happened back in 2017 on Interstate 10, not far from the Georgia line. Deputies responded to a single vehicle accident. When they arrived, Jonathan Victor was still inside the vehicle. According to testimony, he was suffering some sort of a mental health crisis, and deputies had been told that he might be armed. Dash and body cam footage played for the jury show that Corporal Matthew Hunnity shouted at Victor to come out of the car with his hands up. When he finally did emerge, he moved toward the deputy as the officer shouted at him to stop. Corporal Hunnity testified that he believed Victor was armed based on the way he held his hands together, clutching what turned out to be a fanny pack. Corporal Hunnity's lawyer argued that any reasonable officer in his position would have done the same thing. The defense pointed to testimony from an expert witness about a litany of things that he said Corporal Hunnity should have done to defuse the situation. The plaintiff's lawyers are asking for $4.75 million in damages. That's a decision that jurors will make if they determine that the deputy was at fault. The jury will return and begin deliberations again at 9 in the morning. Reporting live from federal court, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.